make authentic Mexican hot dogs. I'm so excited. I'm all excited to show you this recipe. Have you ever had a Mexican hot dog? Authentic Mexican hot dog. We're making them Gina Young style. This recipe is so much fun. You're gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely love it. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your favorite hot dogs, whatever kind of hot dogs you like. You're gonna need some cheese, okay? You could use the Mexican cheese blend if you'd like to. I'm using a Colby cheese and I'm gonna shred it up. You're gonna need some fresh jalapeno. Fresh jalapeno. You're gonna need a nice sweet Vidalia onion and some beautiful tomatoes, preferably, what kind of tomatoes are these? Roma tomatoes, okay? And you're gonna need some hot dog buns. In my pan, I got just a little bit of oil. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make delicious Mexican hot dogs. This recipe's gonna rock your world. Hope y'all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Has the weather calmed down? Do you all have weather? What is the weather like where you all are at? Is it freezing cold? Are you able to get out the house, or are you still snowed in? I want to hear from absolutely everybody. First thing we're going to do for our Mexican hot dogs is take these beautiful Roma tomatoes and we're going to slice them down, and we're going to do what we like to call quarter them, okay? So make them look just like this, okay? Quick and simple. This recipe comes together so easily. Whoever you feed it to, they're going to absolutely love it. This is a fun recipe. Next, we're going to do that same thing with this sweet Vidalia onion. The reason why I emphasize that it's the sweet Vidalia onion, because that's what I want you to use when you make your recipe. Not a yellow onion, not a white onion. Get a sweet Vidalia if you can, by all means, okay? It's just going to taste better. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Same thing that we did with our tomato. Quarter it in such a manner. If you wanted to use some fresh garlic, absolutely you could. If you use fresh garlic, you're just going to take the side of your knife to whack it and kind of break it up a little bit, and then you're going to put it in a frying pan. Next thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and slice up our heat. If you like a little heat. In the back of the palette, we are using fresh jalapeno, not the kind that comes out of the jar. You got to use fresh, okay? So now listen to me. It's super important. I'm going to show you something, okay? So now inside of your jalapeno, you're going to see what we like to call the vein, okay? And this right here can easily come out just by using a fork or a spoon, and you literally just dig it out. Let me show you, and get rid of it, right? If you leave these in here, a lot of people like to leave these in here. If you do that, they will be super hot. But if you take this out, just like this, let me show you, and you take all the seeds out, it's going to be mild. Okay, so we're just going to slice it just like this. Okay, nothing super special. So now, it's super important that you get this pan kind of like smoking hot, right? You want it to be really hot because what we're looking for is to get a nice char onto these vegetables, absolutely, right? And also we want to get a char onto our hot dogs, okay? So now the first thing that we're going to put in is our hot dogs and get them to getting that dark charred color. And always remember, that dark charred color does not mean burn. It means tasting extra better. Okay, extra better, I don't know. You get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So as soon as this heats up, hot dogs go in. Once they're half the way cooked, then we throw in our jalapeno, sweet onion, and our Roma tomatoes. Pan is nice and hot. Tell me in the comment section, what type of hot dogs do y'all like? Are you like somebody that loves the turkey hot dogs? Do you like the chicken or the beef? One hot dog that I cannot stand is beef hot dogs. It's so salty, I don't want it. I like the all meat hot dogs that has all the meats in it. Don't give me a beef hot dog because I don't like them. All right, and so now we're going to take this time, slice up your cheese, any kind of cheese you love. Let me know what your favorite cheese is. What cheese would you use for this recipe? I'm using Colby cheese. Oh, Colby has a great, nice, sharp flavor that I love, and it goes perfect with these Mexican hot dogs. Let's talk about the hot dog bun. When it comes to a hot dog bun or a brat bun, I'm not the one I don't like to toast my hot dog buns. I have maybe did it in the past, but like 95% of the time, I don't want it toasted. I don't want butter or oil onto my hot dog bun. I'm gonna leave mine nice and soft. Let me know if you guys are gonna decide to slather yours with butter. That's what you're originally supposed to do. You just take you some butter, some soft butter, or melt it, and you just slather it all over, throw it into a pan and get it nice, a little crispy. If you want to, I ain't doing it. Getting some nice color onto my hot dogs right now. So here in just a minute, I want a little bit more color. Here in just a minute, I'm gonna put these in. And so now, you all ever hear me say don't overcook the vegetables? It's okay to overcook them for this recipe. Okay, you can also leave them where they have a nice bite to them. But when I make this here recipe, I want these vegetables to be soft. And so now, are we gonna put the tomatoes in super early? Yes, we are. And these will actually kind of melt and turn into like a paste that will coat the tomato in such a way that you can love it. You hear me? Throw everything in. My family right now, oh my goodness, they are waiting with anticipation because they love this recipe. It comes together so quickly. If you have like a favorite mayonnaise that you love, you can put mayonnaise on these. I mean, it's like yum yum, right? Okay, so jalapeno, make sure you got them jalapenos, you wash your hands, otherwise your eyes are gonna be burning. All right, get the tomato in, just let everything cook. Now, here's something that's super important for everybody. Now, make sure the heat is up pretty high because we don't want for our vegetables to kind of steam and get water and produce water into our pan. No, we want them to char. And by having that heat up high, it's going to do exactly what you want it to do, right? Absolutely it will. Let's give it a nice stir. Oh yeah. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. Everything is moving in the right direction right now. It smells so good in here. Oh my goodness, and you can smell that little bit of heat that those jalapenos are letting off. Sweet Vidalia onion, the beautiful tomatoes are breaking down just like we want them to. And look at that. There's not a lot of oil in the pan. I don't want you to have a lot of oil in your pan. Okay? Oh my goodness. I always like to tell everybody is take the time to clean up as you're cooking. When you're cleaning up as you're cooking, life is going to be so much easier for you. It really will. Because one of the worst things is you go to you go to eat, you feed your family, and then you turn around and look at the kitchen and think, oh no, right? If you're cleaning up as you're cooking, everything's easy. I got some hot soapy water right there in the sink. The dishes are going in there. I'm wiping things down when I'm done, you know. And after I use an item, whether it's spices or salsas or whatever it may be, I'm putting them up after I use them. If I ain't using them again, put them up and it really makes you so much happier. I'm telling you, then when you sit down and feed yourself and your family, you can kind of relax knowing that the kitchen is already clean. A peek at it now. My goodness. Ooh, I cannot wait to devour this hot dog. You hear me? Oh my goodness. I know if you could jump through the phone right now, you would. These hot dogs, these are not supposed to be like some pretty hot dog. These are gonna be met. Remember I told you all the other day with the sloppy Joe, I said let it just fall all over the plate. Oh yeah, you can do that with these vegetables. Let it fall all over the plate because you want to eat those too, right? Just pile them into your hot dog bun. That's what I want you to do. Let's do it. Get a hot dog. Ooh, yes, got that nice char. That's perfect char that I'm looking for. Are you kidding me? And then, let's see, I'll just grab this spatula. I don't know why I don't have a spoon. All right. Yes. This is everything. This is what I live for. Are you kidding me? And there's some tomatoes that are still intact. Oh my goodness. Baby, and watch what we're about to do. I mean, watch what we're about to do with the cheese. We're loading the cheese on like we are absolutely, you know. Yes. Lunch is served. I don't know if y'all have ever tasted Kewpie mayo, but if you haven't, I'm telling you now, get you some. Get you some off of Amazon. This is where you can get it. Look, I'm going in with it. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. Take a bite. I'm going in. This is good.